Hi everyone, welcome to my video SCRT Telangana Class 10 Unit 1 Reading B. Every success story is also story of great failures. In this lesson we come across a number of people who have failed in their life. They became successful after many failures. In this video we see the life of people, those successful people. It begins with failures. Not that every time they succeeded in their life. Failure is the highway to success. Tom Watson Sr. said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. Now, what does it mean by if you want to succeed, double your failure rate? How can we become successful when we fail? Which means each time when you fail, you need to take more and more opportunities, chances. Try again. You need to keep on trying. You may face failures again and again, but even then, you need to continue. And the person continues with the example here. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. That means each time when people they try to do something, they had to face failures. And later when they became successful, they began to be in the headlines. Everyone came to know about them, and they never considered those failures that people had. Instead, they say only one side and they say, yeah, the person was lucky, that's why he could be successful, he could do a lot of things. And people also have the consideration saying he must have been at the right place at the right time, at the right place at the right time. So, do we get success in that way? That is there anyone who has been successful in their life never faced any failures? No. Everyone faced failures. Everyone underwent lot of struggles. After those struggles, failures, difficulties, they became successful in their life. It is not in the absence of failures they are successful. Facing all the failures, struggles, difficulties, after facing all that, they became successful in their life. Let me share someone's life history with you. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21, was defeated in a legislative race at age 22, failed again in business at age 24, overcame the death of his sweetheart at age 26, had a nervous breakdown at age 27, lost a congressional race at age 34, lost a senatorial race at age 45, failed in an effort to become vice president at age 47, lost a senatorial race at age 49, and was elected president of the United States at age 52. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Would you call him a failure? He could have quit, but to Lincoln, defeat was a detour and not a dead end. This is what most of us we need to understand. Whenever we face failures or difficulties, struggles in life, immediately we should not be affected by that. Obstacles or problems in lives are inevitable. They come. And some are haunted by it, continuously. Most of the time, they face failures, struggles, difficulties, and so on. But they strive. They strive for perfection. And each time when they fail, that contribute something to make their lives something perfect. Here, 31 years of Abraham Lincoln's life was utter failure. Every time when he tried, it was a failure, 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 failure. And life went on in that way. Only failure was there. We couldn't find success in these 31 years of his life. Finally, at the age of 52, he became the president of the United States. So you see, the person could have stopped, but he considered each time when there was a failure, that helped him, that motivated him to take a different route, a new way, a new path by which he could experience more. That's what we must understand. Every day, if we go on the same line, same route, same road, we meet same people, nothing new. But for the same destination, each time when you take new places and all, you will see that there will be a lot of difference. You will meet new people, you will see new places, there will be a lot of new other things. This is what we must understand. We need to have this idea in our mind. So we are not to be affected by the failures that we face. Failures come and that should contribute something to our lives, not making us fall or affected by failures. So let us consider our lives as something very important, not something as mean, less valuable. People who consider it as less valuable, who do not care for it, what happens when they are affected, when they face a little bit difficulties and all, immediately they go down in life and they become very sad, worried. Some people even end their life. But Abraham Lincoln and so many other people, they are all very good examples for us where we need to understand this fact that failures are detours, making us or helping us to take a new route in order to reach the zenith of success. This is the end of part 1. Rest of the lesson we will see in part 2 and the other parts of the videos.